You need data mover resources available on the internet and need access by FQDN. Which resolution provides what you need? Option A. NDS. Option B. DNS. Option C. WINS. Option D. LMHust. The correct answer is option B. Windows Hosta is unable to contact a data mover. Hosta is able to contact other hosts in its own subnet. Which command is used to isolate where the failure is occurring? Option A. Tracert. Option B. Traceroute. Option C. Server_route. Option D. Server_tracert. The correct answer is option A. You are removing a control station in a Solera NS series. You have just finished removing the front rack screws that secure the rails into the rack frame and disconnected the control station and Ethernet switch AC power cords from the PDU. What is disconnected next? Option A. SP power cables. Option B. Data movers power cables. Option C. All the Ethernet cables directly from the data movers. Option D. Data mover serial cable that connect to S1, S2, S3, S4. The correct answer is option D. Which establishes a remote connection to a Unix host? Option A. NTP. Option B. TSH. Option C. CMD. Option D. Telnet. The correct answer is option D.